Hello class 10th. In the last lecture, what we have discussed about the first focus and the second focus of the convex lens. Today we are going to discuss about the first focus and the second focus of the concave lens. As the topic is same, so I just want to revive you the last topic. What was the first focus and the second focus definition. So here again first focus of convex lens. So what is here? If we are talking about first focus, so definition was it is a point on the principal axis from where all the rays after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. And second focus, this was about first focus, and the second focus, all the rays are coming parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, they are meeting at a point that is second focus. Why am I discussing the same one again? Because the topic is same, definition will be same, the only change will be the lens. So we are going to replace the lens, but the definition must be same, that for the first focus after refraction must be parallel, and for the second focus after refraction must meet at a point. I am writing this point to remember this, that after refraction parallel, so this is first point. So first of all I am talking about this, I am going to erase this. So first focus of now concave lens. Definition remains same, that after refraction the rays must be parallel. What we are going to use? Concave lens. See here, this is your principal axis and this is the aperture, so this one will be optical center. Now the point is, where will be that point? I am talking about the first focus. The condition is after refraction all the rays must be parallel. So let's draw first after refraction process. I am drawing the process for the after refraction. Consider this one is also a ray along the principal axis. Now what you are observing, all the rays are going parallel. So from where they have been started, you might be thinking that it may be somewhere here. The rays are going through this and they are diverging. No, this is the diverging lens. If you remember, I want to show you again. Diverging lens like this. If the ray is falling on this, it will diverge. Means if the ray is coming like this, means if the ray is coming like this, so it will diverge up. So just rotate this diagram. Just rotate. I am rotating this. What are you saying? See, on rotating you are observing that this ray will be parallel to the principal axis when the ray will come from in this direction. So this is the actual direction and the rays are diverging, that is why it is. So all the ray will come like this from here and it will become like this, because it is diverging lens, not a converging lens that you are thinking that somewhere here will be the object. Okay, so the rays will come from here, but still there must be a point from where the rays are coming. I'll go through that, but first of all let's draw the rays first. So this ray might be coming like this and it will be going there. and second somewhere here, third somewhere here, and the fourth somewhere here, and this is the ray along the principal axis. This section acts like a glass slab, no change, so straight will be there. So again, what you will say, where is the focus point? According to definition, it is a point from where the rays is starting and after refraction become parallel. So where is the point? If you further draw this ray diagram, so it will be diverged. We would never get any point there. So what to do? After refraction it is parallel, that is satisfied, the condition is satisfied, but where is that point? So the answer is in the concave lens. In the concave lens, first focus point is not a real point. The focus point is not a real point. So what will happen? We can draw it further virtually. Now see. Now definition is satisfied. It is a point on the principal axis to which that slide starts, after reflection becomes parallel. But this point is satisfied completely. But there is no real point from where the rays are starting. From here, the rays are not starting. So definition must be modified. What will be the correct definition for the first focus of concave lens will be, it is a point on the principal axis. Yes, it is a point on the principal axis. It is virtual point, but it is a point on the principal axis. After refraction, the rays are becoming parallel, and the rays are appearing to meet at this point. So definition is, it is a point on the principal axis. All the rays are appearing to meet at this point, and after refraction becomes parallel to the principal axis. So again, the definition of the first focus for concave lens is, it is a point on the principal axis at which all the rays are appearing to meet, but after refraction they become parallel. They are appearing to meet at this point, but after refraction they become parallel to the principal axis. This is the virtual point, not the real point. But again, that is why we are saying that appearing. Rays are appearing to meet at this point. So this is the point again on the principal axis, towards which all the rays are appearing to meet, but after refraction becomes parallel through the concave lens. So this point, the virtual point, is known as first focus of the concave lens. Now let's see the second focus. Let's erase this. Now let's talk about the second focus of concave lens. So we are talking about the second focus of concave lens. Before that, I want to inform you about the second focus of convex lens. That was see here, the second focus in the convex lens. The condition is all the rays must come parallel, and after refraction they must meet. So all the rays must come parallel. So let's draw the concave lens first. Here it is, the concave lens, principal axis, the aperture and the optical center. Conditions that all the rays must come parallel. So let's draw all the rays parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, where they are meeting, that is the focus in convex lens. After refraction, where they are meeting in the concave, that would be the second focus. But the real G is, they will never meet because it's a diverging lens, so they will never meet. What will happen? See here. So what you are observing? All the rays are diverging. So there is no point where they are meeting. And if there is no point where they are meeting, so where will be our second focus? For that, let's retrace backward all the rays and see here. So what is happening? They are appearing to start from here. This is our second focus for the concave lens. But what will be the definition now? Here in this case, the definition is if the rays are coming parallel after refraction, wherever they are meeting, that point is called second focus. But here, the rays are coming parallel after refraction, they have diverged. So where will be second focus? The definition is it is the point on the principal axis when the rays are coming parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, they are appearing. After refraction, they are diverged. It is appearing that they have started from this point. They have been originated from this point. It is appearing like the rays have started, all the positions means all rays have been started from this point. So this will be what? The second focus. Again, this point is virtual. Now again, if you want to change the definition, you can also say if the incident rays are coming parallel toward the concave lens and all the rays are appearing to diverge from this point. It is appearing like all the rays have diverged from this point. So this point is your what? Second focus. Now I am showing you the first focus and second focus all together in the convex and concave. So here it is the second focus, which is left of the lens. Let's clean it. Now first and second focus both. First and second focus in both the lenses. Talking about the first convex lens, so here it will be first focus and here it will be second focus. In the concave, here it will be the second focus and here will be the first focus. The positions are flipped in the concave than to convex. So these are the first focus and second focus we have completed. And if you remember, in the convex and concave in both the cases, rays were coming parallel to each other as well as parallel to the principal axis. What if the rays are parallel to each other but not parallel to the principal axis? Let's see that case. So as I said, the rays will be parallel to each other but not parallel to the principal axis. Let's see. See here, the rays are coming parallel, but they are not parallel to the principal axis. According to the definition of first focus, there was only condition that the ray must be parallel. There was not mentioned, I haven't mentioned that the rays must be parallel as well as parallel to the principal axis. So according to the condition is satisfied for the parallel rays. And wherever they are meeting or they will meet, that must be focused. Let's see where they are going to meet if I'll draw. So see first one. This one is going to the optical center, so no refraction will be here, it will go straight. Like this. This one is coming toward the lens at the bottom, so it will bend toward the lens. So like this, it will bend, it will go here, it is more precise. Now you can see they are meeting at a point, but that point is not on the principal axis, but it is in the line of the focus. This point will be in the line of the focus. Here must be its focus, not first, second focus. This will be the position in the line of the focus of this lens, but not at the point of focus, in the line of that. So this position will be called the in focal plane. So here still the focal length it will be, but this will be called image in focal plane. Focal plane. Here we will draw a plane. So it is forming plane means this hand is acting like plane. So if I am putting here my hand, so here somewhere the image will be obtained. So this is called in the focal plane. So this is the case for the convex lens. Now let's see for the concave. Now see, one ray is coming from the optical center and will go straight. Without any deviation, and you know that this ray must be diverged in this direction, so it will diverge in this direction, and this one in this direction. This is already gone straight, and this one will be in this direction, and this one will be somewhere here outward. So where they are starting from means we must say where they have started. So for that, let's draw backward. So this point where the images appear, this point is like all the rays are appearing to diverge from. So this will be where? In the plane of the focus. In this side for the concave is second focus. So in the plane, same way, this point is appearing. So here in the focal plane, this will be also in focal plane. So you have seen the first focus in the convex and concave, then second focus in the convex and concave. For the second focus, all the rays were coming parallel to each other as well as to the principal axis. But here the new case, rays are coming parallel but not with parallel to the principal axis. Here I am ending this lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the rules and the sign conventions and then image formation. Till the next lecture, be safe, take care, and thank you.